Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of payment method. On the application of Remitly app, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about your Remitly app and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about your Remitly app. Then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by liking.